Hello everyone, welcome to KV Maths. Today, up to now, we have completed alphabet series and coding and decoding. So, today, let's talk about number series. So, what is number series? Number series means series of numbers which have a common rule between them. Means like which has a perfect pattern between them. For example, there are numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, and what is the next number? They may ask like this. Then what is the next number? It's 10. How can you say? Because what is the difference between these two numbers? 2. What is the difference between these two numbers? 2. What is the difference between these two numbers? 2. And what will be the difference between these two numbers? It will also 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Simple. So there is a trick to find in between this. So number series are of three types. Wait, I will explain you. Number series are of three types. Sorry, four types. Number series are of four types. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what is addition? So if the difference between the first and the second number is very low, then there may be addition or subtraction. If the difference between the two numbers is very high, then they are multiplication or division. For example, 2, 3, 5 and 8, and what will be the next number? If they may ask you like this, how can you find? As you can observe, there is very less difference between these two numbers. What's the difference? 1. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 2. What is the difference between these three numbers? 3. Sorry, these two numbers? 3. So this is addition series. So what will be the next one? It is simply, you can say that it is, there is difference 4 and it is 12. Simple. So if suppose they have asked you like this, like 10, 9, 8, 7, and what is the next series? They may ask you like this. As you can see, they are gradually decreasing. So they are subtraction series. There is no vast difference between the two numbers. So they are subtraction series. While coming into the multiplication, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and what is the next number? If they asked you like this means, as you can observe that there is a small difference, here big difference and very big difference. So it is a multiplication series. So you can observe like this, by just seeing the sum you can say that it is, there is a multiplication series or addition series or subtraction series or division series. So what will be the next number? If they asked you like this means, it's very simple. What is the, as you can observe, 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 8. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 into 2 is 16 and 16 into 2 is 32 and 32 into 2 is 64. So the answer is 64. Very simple sums. The only thing you need to find is that which series is there between the two numbers. So that's what you need to observe. So today let's talk about addition series. Addition series. So in addition series, I'll give you a question like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. What is the next number? If they asked you like this means, how can you answer? It's very simple. As you can observe, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. So 13 is the answer. So this is how you can simply understand the sums, and I'll give you another sum. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What is the next one? So as you can observe, 2 is the difference. Here also 2 is the difference. 2 is the difference. 2, 2. Here also 2. So it is 16. Simply you can observe. And the sum is very simple. So the only thing you need to learn is just to find the series between them. That's it. So I'll give another sum: 28, 33, 31, 36, dash and 39. So what you need to find? You can observe that there is a vast difference between these two. So go to alternative series. Alternative series. I think hope you know alternative series. Check for these two and these two and these two. So what is the difference between these two numbers? It's 3. What is the difference between these two numbers? 3. What is the difference between these two numbers? 3. So what can you conclude now? What should be the difference between these two numbers? It will be 3. So 31 plus 3 is 34 is the answer. Hope you understood. So let's enter into the next sum. Next sum is 20. Sorry, wait. The sums will be very simple only if you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, ask in the live chat or in comments, or join in the WhatsApp group to ask me personally. Sorry, it went down. So like this they have given. So now tell me how to do this. Seems like it is alternative series. So am I right? Check it out. Let's check first alternative series. So what is the difference between these two? 1, these two, 2, these two, 3. So what will be the difference between these two? 4. So it will be 10. And now check it. 4, 3, 2, and what will be the difference between these two? 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10. So I think you understood that the answer is 10 comma 10. These are very simple sums. Only thing you need to learn is to find the series between them. That's it. So let's do another sum. 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, and what is the next series? Type in the live chat what is the next series. So I will explain.